Hey, welcome back everybody. So we're going to work on the C10 today. So we're going to do spark plugs and these glorious bastards. We actually sell these headlights if anybody needs any. These are a pretty universal 7-inch headlight. So we're going to just install the headlight part for now. We'll do the halo at a later date, but I'll explain to you how to hook it up. It's pretty simple. These do come with an adapter, so wide variety of applications for these. They're a 7-inch light. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the spark plugs first. So these plugs are 13/16. My tripod's broke, so I can't show you everything that I'm doing as I do it. But I'm just going to start here and go down. You don't want to do this typically while your car's warm. You can risk screwing stuff up, stripping out the head or whatnot. But these are the plugs you want. They're pre-gapped to 35 thousandths, and that's what you need for this. This is just a standard small block 350. Nothing super fun done to it, as you can tell. It's pretty old. Now we are going to do some fuel injection upgrades and stuff like that to this thing. So that's coming. We're going to use Ace's fuel injection. And then I got headers coming for it and full exhaust and stuff like that. So let's get into these plugs. They are 13/16, like I said. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull off this first one and just go down. So plug wires can be a pain in the ass to pull off, but I've had these off recently, so it's not too bad. If you struggle, grab a pair of pliers and grip right there and kind of twist or up and down and pull it off. Old one, new one, and as always I like to put a little bit of anti-seize on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put these 4 in and I'll be back. Alright, I got all 8 of them done. And I got a random wire. I think that's my tack wire. I don't have a tack, so I think that's what that is. Anyway. Okay, so this is how they go in there. You have a screw up there, a screw there, and a screw down there. After you take that trim bezel off, which is a Phillips screw there, 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 and there. The small one goes up top where it says DOT up there. And your wiring, you get to from in there. Right there. And that's what they look like compared to that. So on this side you have the same bolts, and then you're going to get to that wiring right there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up. But anyway, any questions? Hit me up. Like, subscribe, share us. Deuces, everyone.